Welcome sa zipline.com. In this video ay tutuloy natin ang ating series about direct linear variation, and this is the last video in the series, no? And dito pag-uusapan natin yung connection ng direct linear variation, no, sa ibang topic sa school mathematics, no. So pag sinabi natin, just a brief review, no, pag sinabi natin na y varies directly as x, no, then we can write it as y is equal to kx, no, in terms of equation where k is the constant of variation, no? And tataka kayo, ito lang ba yung ganitong topic sa math, no? But in I think in grade 5 or grade 6, no, sa curriculum natin, sa current curriculum natin, pinag-aral natin yung direct proportion, at pag sinabi natin na y is directly proportional to x, then we can also write y equals ax, no? Where a is the constant of proportionality, no? Proportionality. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, pareho yung form nila, no? The y equals kx tsaka y equals ax. Parang same ano lang siya, equation. A and k are numbers, no? So, pag y equals 3x, y equals 3x, pag sinabi pala natin siya constant of variation, halos pareho pala siya ng meaning ng constant of, pag sinabi mo pala direct variation, direct linear variation, pareho pala siya ng meaning ng direct proportion, no? So, yan yung konsepto na pareho, no? And another is, for example, pag sinabi natin, kung nag-aral na kayo ng functions, pag sinabi natin y is a linear function of x, no, or linear function in x, then pwede rin natin sabihin na y equals mx, no, or pinaka-general nito, y equals mx plus b, no? And here, m is the slope, no? Where m is the slope. Now, y equals mx plus b, pero pag b ay 0, then we have y equals mx, no? And again, this form, no, is very similar to these two forms. So, parang ibig sabihin pala, pag pinag-uusapan natin yung varies of direct variation, parang pinag-uusapan pala natin yung direct proportion tsaka yung special case of linear function where b is equal to 0. So, nakikita niyo yung pagkakapare-pareho, no? And no, in terms of, pag ganito yung equation mo, yung graph niyan, ibig sabihin, it's a line passing through 0, di ba? Passing through the origin. So, it's a straight line, no? It's a straight line passing through the origin. So, posibleng ano siya, solid line, no? Depende sa domain natin. No, pag ang domain mo ay set of real numbers, then straight line siya, no? So, posible siyang straight line passing through the center, no? So, posibleng ganyan siya. So, yan. Or, kung halimbawa, ang domain mo naman ay for example, integers, no? Magbigay lang tayo ng specific example. C equals kn, for example. This is a direct linear variation where c is the cost, no? And n is the number of items, no? For example, magbenta ka ng jeans, then ang cost mo ay c at yung number of items mo ay n, no? So, for example, 300 pesos ang bawat jeans, no? Bawat pantalon, then the equation is c equals 300n. So, ang constant of variation natin dito ay 300. At syempre, yung number of genes natin, hindi naman pwedeng 1.5 genes, no? So, whole number siya, no? So, for example, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, no? So, pag 1 genes, for example, 300 siya, no? 300. Tapos, pag 2 genes, 600. Pag 3 genes, 900. Of course, hindi pareho yung scale nito, no? Obviously. So, pag 1 genes tayo, point siya dito. Pag 2 genes na tayo, this is another point. And pag 3 genes tayo, this is another point. And so on. So, yung domain niya, positive. Kasi wala naman tayong 1.5 genes, positive integers, no? Wala naman tayong, pag 0, syempre 0. 0 din yung price. Pero again, wala tayong negative na genes, no? Wala ka namang negative 1 genes or negative 2 genes. So, it's just positive integers at wala rin tayong fraction. So, points yung kanyang graph. No? And again, dumadaan siya sa 0. It's supposed to be straight line. Hindi nga lang maayos yung pagka-scale natin. But these 3 points should be on a straight line. Pag nag-draw ka ng line, dapat tatamaan yung 3 points na yun. Now, yun yung possible graphs ng linear direct linear variation, posibleng line, and posible siyang mga points lying on a straight line. Okay, that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan dito sa video na to. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating website, yung ziplayan.com, and kung kayo nanonood sa YouTube, no, pwede kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Ang susunod natin i-discuss ay ang direct square variation, yung sunod sa direct linear variation. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.